Transform your space with precision and style by mastering the art of floor ceramic tile installation. In this comprehensive and silent step-by-step video, you'll witness the entire process of laying ceramic floor tiles from beginning to end, using professional techniques that ensure long-lasting, beautiful results. Whether you're tackling a home renovation project or refining your craftsmanship, this video is designed to help you achieve flawless results every single time. We begin with essential preparation steps, including how to clean and level the floor surface, ensuring it's ready for tile adhesion. You'll learn the importance of dry laying the tiles for planning layout, checking symmetry, and minimizing cuts in visible areas. Proper spacing, alignment, and the use of tile spacers are demonstrated clearly to maintain perfect grout lines. As the installation progresses, you'll see how to mix and apply the right type of tile adhesive, using the correct trowel size and angle for optimal coverage. We showcase both traditional straight line and staggered layouts, explaining how each affects the visual flow of the space. Detailed close-up shots reveal how to place, press, and adjust each tile into position with accuracy and care, reducing lippage and ensuring a level surface. Throughout the video, we highlight how to handle tricky areas such as corners, walls, and room transitions. You'll also discover how to make precise tile cuts using manual and electric tile cutters, allowing you to work around obstacles like pipes, edges, and door frames with ease. Once the tiling is complete, we demonstrate how to inspect and clean the surface before grout application, preparing you for the next stage of installation. The result is a professional, clean, and highly durable ceramic floor, perfectly aligned and ready to enhance any room. This video was created for tiling professionals, DIY enthusiasts, contractors, and anyone who wants to understand what it takes to lay floor tiles like a pro. With every move captured on camera, without any voiceover or distractions, you can follow along at your own pace, pause and replay each technique, and apply the methods to your own projects with confidence. By the end of the video, you will have a complete visual understanding of the ceramic tile installation process and be equipped with the knowledge needed to produce flawless flooring work that stands the test of time.
In this extended and in-depth continuation of our floor tiling journey, we dive even further into the real-world craftsmanship behind installing ceramic tiles with precision and excellence. Floor tiling is not just a construction task, it's a blend of engineering, planning, and aesthetics. This video highlights the critical decisions, fine-tuned techniques, and detailed sequences that professionals use to ensure every tile is not only placed correctly but functions as part of a durable and visually balanced surface for years to come. We begin by exploring how to prepare challenging subfloors, whether you're working with old concrete, new screed, or wooden substrates. You'll learn how to inspect for hollows, cracks, and uneven spots, and how to use leveling compounds, bonding agents, or waterproofing membranes where necessary. We demonstrate how to test surface flatness using long levels and laser tools, helping you understand how small dips or humps can affect the outcome of an entire floor if left untreated. As we transition into layout planning, we focus on how to select the correct starting point in the room, especially for irregularly shaped spaces or when tiling around multiple obstacles. You'll see how to establish chalk lines, snap layout grids, and use dry tiles to visualize complex patterns like diagonal, herringbone, or modular layouts. Special attention is given to how layout choices affect the first impressions of a room, how symmetry, flow, and alignment with walls, doors, or cabinets can make or break the beauty of the final result. The video also introduces essential tools in detail. We showcase not only the use of manual tile cutters and wet saws, but also angle grinders, notched trowels of varying sizes, leveling clips, spacers, and rubber mallets. You'll learn how each tool contributes to tile placement, adhesion quality, and flatness. Close-up visuals help you see exactly how to back butter tiles in larger formats or apply adhesive in two directions for maximum coverage and bonding strength. A significant portion is devoted to adhesive selection and trowel technique. Depending on tile size and substrate condition, we explain how to choose between flexible, fast setting, or high-performance tile adhesives, and how the choice affects working time and durability. You'll see the exact troweling angles and spreading motions that ensure 100% contact coverage under each tile, especially critical in areas subject to heavy foot traffic like kitchens, hallways, and entrances. We don't stop at easy areas. We go deep into challenging situations, such as tiling around floor drains and utility covers, scribing tiles along uneven walls, managing expansion joints and perimeter gaps, working up against thresholds and transitions into other floor finishes like wood or vinyl. Every challenge is met with a visual solution, making it easier for viewers to apply similar methods in their own homes or job sites. What sets this video apart is the emphasis on precision and patience. You'll see how small, thoughtful actions, like wiping excess adhesive from joints before it hardens, or tapping tiles gently to check for full bond, create a difference that shows in the final finish. The floor starts to look not only level but sculpted, clean, and built with intention. After tile placement is complete, we detail the critical step of final surface inspection. Using light reflection, level tools, and manual touch, each tile is assessed for flushness, alignment, and gap consistency. This stage ensures that your hard work translates into long-term performance with minimal risk of lifting, cracking, or shifting. By the end of this extended section, viewers gain a deep respect for the amount of planning and control required to produce a flawless ceramic floor. This is more than laying tiles, it's building a foundation for daily life that is both functional and beautiful. In the third and most detailed part of our comprehensive floor tiling guide, we go beyond the technical skills to explore the mindset, precision, and finishing touches that separate average tile work from truly flawless, professional-grade ceramic floor installations. This segment is packed with advanced techniques, troubleshooting insights, and long-term care advice, designed to elevate your tile installation game to the highest level. We begin by focusing on alignment perfection. Even a 1 mm shift in a tile's placement can disrupt the rhythm of a room. We demonstrate how to use tile leveling systems, including wedge and clip systems, rotating cap types, and reusable options that help maintain perfect lippage control. You'll learn when to use them, how to install them correctly, and the right time to remove them without disturbing the adhesive bond underneath. These tools are especially helpful with larger tiles or when working in uneven lighting that highlights even the smallest flaws. Then we explore cutting and customization at a high level. You'll see how to make detailed L-cuts around door frames, U-cuts for plumbing pipes, and notched shapes for cabinet legs and kitchen islands. We show how to handle difficult porcelain tiles that chip or crack easily, and how to polish or round cut edges using tile files and diamond pads to give a factory finish look, even on site. For open plan rooms, we cover the challenge of expanding coverage while keeping layout accuracy. As the area increases, so does the potential for misalignment. You'll learn how to reset layout references midway through large rooms using control lines and modular spacing checks. This ensures your pattern doesn't drift or cause compound errors as the floor grows. Next, we highlight installation under special conditions. Whether you're tiling over underfloor heating, moisture-prone zones like laundry rooms, or outdoor access flooring near patios or balconies, the adhesive choice, joint spacing, and substrate preparation all change. We walk you through these conditions and provide adapted methods to ensure the tile work holds up under any environment. Moving toward finishing, we place a special spotlight on perimeter joints and transitions. You'll discover how to leave correct expansion gaps at walls and structural columns, use flexible silicone or caulk joints at door thresholds and around permanent fixtures, install decorative profiles, like aluminum or PVC trims, for clean, durable edges, handle transitions between tile and wood, vinyl, carpet, or concrete. Each of these details affects durability and aesthetics, and we show you how to execute them with precision and elegance. Then comes the final cleaning phase, where we demonstrate how to remove adhesive residue from tile surfaces without scratching or dulling the finish. You'll learn how to use microfiber cloths, vinegar water blends, and specialty tile cleaners to restore shine and clarity before grouting. This ensures that the tiles look pristine and professional before sealing the joints. In addition, this section includes error recovery techniques, how to lift and reset tiles that were laid incorrectly, how to fix hollow-sounding tiles without removing the whole row, and how to correct tiles that have shifted during setting without disturbing adjacent rows. These are practical skills that can save time, materials, and frustration, especially for those working solo or on tight schedules. Once everything is checked, clean, and dry, we introduce visual inspection under multiple lighting angles: natural daylight, ceiling light, and low-angle raking light. These lighting methods reveal imperfections invisible to the eye during regular work. You'll see how to fix or mask subtle irregularities before handing over a project or considering it complete. Finally, we discuss client handover or final owner inspection. If you're a professional, the way you present your finished floor is critical. In this final and most expansive part of our floor tiling journey, we bring together every element of the ceramic tile installation process and push it further into the realm of long-term performance, durability, and true craftsmanship. If the first three parts taught you the how, this part teaches you the why behind every decision, every movement, and every choice of material or technique. We begin by revisiting the complete installation process, but this time through the lens of real-world durability. You'll learn how even small errors in substrate preparation,